How to set up Chase QuickPay with Zelle. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily set up your Chase QuickPay with your Zelle account. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your web browser or the Chase application if you have it on your device, and then go to chase.com. Now you just need to head over to the sign in page, and here you have to enter your username or password of your Chase account to simply go ahead and log into it. So once you go ahead and click on the sign in option, you should be logged into your Chase account. Now, once you are logged in, here you'll find different options like your account overview of your Chase checking account and your savings account. The first thing you need to know is that you need a checking account, and saving accounts are not eligible for this. What you're going to have to do is, after signing in, you can tap on the pay and transfer option at the bottom, and then you can see the option to send money with Zelle. Just go ahead and choose that option. So if you don't have your Zelle set up, you'll see the on-screen prompt to log into Zelle or enroll into Zelle. Then you just have to follow the prompts and agree to the service and agreements for the Zelle. Then you will just have to verify your contact information. And once you have verified your contact info, people from your contacts will also be shown on this page. So you should be able to see other people that use Zelle. Would they have a little Z icon right besides their profile picture? Then after verifying, you can select your Chase checking account for your transactions and you should be good to go. That's how you basically set up your Chase QuickPay with your Zelle. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.